Off-roaders love the small but powerful 2026 Suzuki Samurai. For combat, urban, and wild fighters, recharge. The retro, angular, upright 2026 model may be familiar. The blacked-out grille and spherical LED headlights highlight the rough, square front fascia, updating the original. Better bumpers have fog lights, tow hooks, and steeper pitch angles. Samurai's stance is straight, strong, square wheel arches. SUV rocks on 17-inch ATV tires. Off-road factory-powered. The 2026 Samurai's simple cabin resists wear and tear and dirt and dust. Rubberized flooring, water-resistant upholstery, and ergonomic dashboard make this vehicle appealing to trail and city riders alike. An 8-inch touchscreen in the center of the dashboard with Suzuki's latest infotainment system, which is fast, intuitive, and glove-compatible, and wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto connectivity. Digital steering wheel readouts show off-road attitude, pitch, and roll. Even in bad weather, large, tank-shaped climate controls are easy to use. The 1.5-liter turbocharged inline-4 in the 2026 Samurai produces 145 HP and 180 Nm of torque. Modern chassis are ladder-framed and lightweight. The Samurai horse is powerful due to its low gearing, 4-wheel drive, and power-to-weight ratio. 6-speed automatics and 5-speed manuals are straightforward. Improvements in suspension articulation and damping make long highway trips more comfortable. Consider the 2026 Suzuki Samurai for any situation. This is for drivers, not timid price algorithms. At $22,000 USD, its manual transmission variant is one of the cheapest authentic off-road sedans. Mid-range trims with automatic gearboxes, premium roof racks, and upgraded infotainment systems cost $25,000 USD. Trail Pro Edition costs under $30,000 USD and has aggressive off-road tires, skid plates, LED auxiliary lights, and locking differentials. The 2026 Suzuki Samurai offers a smooth ride that makes me miss driving my trusty old car, full of freedom and adventure. Poland is modernizing and preserving its culture. A small off-roader is happy.